Is the last video of the VL Commodore, the cheapest one I ever bought. Paid $1,000 for it, and it's going. I'm selling it. So in this video, we're going to detail it with our 1980s detailer and Maguire's, a very underrated Australian product, and we're going to hit it, see how it goes. But as you can see, looking around the paint, it's far from clear. Half the car doesn't even have paint on it. So we're just going to detail it, see what happens. It's probably going to come out decently, who knows. Red's always a good colour detail. If you look at the wheels, they're all flat. So I got the compressor here just so we can pump it up. Engine's just been touched up. That was the last video, putting that all together. So I'm just letting that dry out because I cleaned it up a bit. But interior is done, it's cleaned up. There's an engine in it, transmission in it. It's all really missing is a detail. I was contemplating doing the front half of this car, but it's not worth it because the paint's so far gone that a detail's kind of detailing a piece of shit at this point. So yeah, we're just gonna clean it up and see what happens.
Professional fucking detailer, been in the business for fucking 40 years.
It's 21 years old.
Yeah. Mate, if I can't get it up fucking nice, I don't know who can.
If you notice things around this car, like the antenna missing, we actually found those pieces when we cleaned out the interior. If you wanna watch that video, feel free to. But yeah, just going over the car really, cleaning it up, making it look presentable. See what happens.
We did a bit of a tester. It's come up not too bad.
This is a tester.
Not too bad.
Feels smoother. You know, obviously it's got some little cancer spots like the person's filming his head. But look, it looks alright. This is the spot we filmed. As you can see, it's nice, a lot nicer red.
Microfiber. Microfiber. Yep. That. Microfiber. I'll put you in the ground.
Look at the stains up here.
spot where I'm trying to get untouched.
Good from far from good.
That's it. Looking at the doors are all complete, so is the rear end. How's that for a cleanup? Like he said, good from afar, far from good. Just polishing up the roof now. It's always going to have these little spots, but...
Make sure you use a microfiber.
Yeah,
Wiping the
microfiber.
polish off.
Yeah, obviously, you know, you can't really do much about the front. But for what we can do, I think it's coming out alright. And just like that, it is done and detailed. Immediately you can tell a difference. It looks so much more shinier. Just looks refreshed. Doesn't look shit. Like you can see it, it's just so much nicer. Obviously it's got spots still, you know. Don't get me wrong, but you know, what do? You can't get that out. But as far as it's concerned, 1980s shit, I reckon that has cleaned it up so nicely. Good job, Mr. Aiden.
Bit fucking rough, but should be right.
I reckon for what it is, it's a good
Brought it
job.
up a bit, it's heaps better.
Yeah, much better. And that's the result. Pumps, tyres, polished. Now we do have one of these clips right here, so we're gonna put that on, and we're also gonna just put something over the hole here, just so there's no water getting in. Other than that, I'd say that's about it. Anything else you got to do, really?
I think so.
Yeah, sell it. So if you want to buy this car and you're located in the Melbourne area, 8.5 G's. That is it. The VL is officially done. What a series. It's been fun. But you know what? It's done. You might be disappointed that we're not starting it, but it's just beyond our ability. And for where it came, I think we've polished it up nicely. Just towed it out the way with the Mazda. And it's for sale in the Melbourne area for $8,500 if you're interested. Here it is. Beautiful car. Sad to see it go, but you know what? I'm happy about it. Just wrapping up though, like, look at the interior, man. Back seats. Front's a bit rough, sure, but you know, the engine's completed. Getting there. I'm actually genuinely sad to see it go, but its time is come up and it's time to sell it. I'm going to take photos of it now it's in the sun. And that's about it. It's been a great series. I'm sad to see it go.